It's all about my favorite fruit this week, watermelon. Come see what I created. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Fresh Fruit Friday collaboration. We will be creating projects highlighting fruits, and we've been sharing videos every Friday in June. And as I mentioned, we have one more Friday. I will be hosting a surprise or a giveaway. I'll probably present that at the end or at the last video. So make sure you guys are watching and tuning in to the collaboration. What you see before you are all of the participants of this really fun collaboration. You can see the names listed there. And so before I share my project with you guys, I'm going to share with you some of the products that I use to create my projects. All right, so let's just see if we can go through these quickly. Let me just share this, the highlight of my project. I use these 3-pack of legal pads from the Dollar Tree. So this week I altered up some notepads, or these legal pads. And you guys, this is such a fun and cute idea. I followed a very simple tutorial. I will link it below in case you guys would like to create some. They're very quick, they're very fun. They will make awesome gifts, and this will be an awesome craft fair project as well. So I also use some of these distress inks. I use the barn door as well as the crushed olive. I use some of these Starburst gem stickers from the Dollar Tree. I use some of these fun stickers from my stash just to make my project really fun and summery. I'm highlighting this die set this week. This is by the Stamps of Life, Stephanie Bernard. This is the watermelon. I don't think there's a name to it, I don't think. But anywho, I used all of the dies except for this one. And except for this one for my project. I also used a very old die, the Petite Scallop Circles right here. And the paper I'm highlighting for my projects this week came from Mente, the Farm Life. This is such a beautiful paper pad. I absolutely love it. I love Mente paper collections. The papers are really good quality, thick, papers. Very nice to create with. So those are some of the products that I've used for my project this week. So here's my first altered notepad or legal pad here. Isn't this cute, you guys? Look how cute this turned out. And when I tell you the tutorial for this was so simple, I love it. And I'm definitely going to be making some more of these because these will make some really cute gifts to your crafty friends or for family members, alike. So yes, look at those watermelons highlighted there. And I used the Tanya from Memory Lane Keepsakes. She shared the dollar store gem stickers. She used it for seeds for her watermelon cards or note cards. And so I was like, oh, that's a great idea. So I used those stickers for the seeds for my watermelon. I also used some Winkle Stella on the rind part there. And it just turned out super cute. You can see the stickers and the beautiful paper. And so this is a belly band and it slides right off. So it slides right off. And here's the inside. Isn't that beautiful? I love this. And then you can write your notes here. Isn't this an awesome idea, you guys? Love this. And when I tell you, like I said, it was so simple and so fun to put together. So let me put this back together and share the next one. Okay, I had to put that back on off camera, you guys. Okay, so yeah, it slides back on, but you have to take your time and put it back on. Slide down like that. Okay, so here's my altered notepad number 2. And what I like about using these papers, they are double-sided. So it's ideal to use some double-sided paper so that the inside of your little, the inside can have pattern paper. So look at that. Look at that little ant I used. So cute. And he's carrying a yellow watermelon. And I love how this turned out, you guys. It's so simple, but this is such a cute, cute idea. And again, this slides right off here. And you can see the pattern paper in the inside, how pretty that is. Love it. And you can also take it a step further and add a pen with it to give to the recipient. So let me put this back on. Okay. And here is the third one. I used that same little ant sticker carrying the watermelon. I thought it was so cute and fun. Just added a fun little spin to my project. And so let me share with you what this one looks like in the inside. And just look at that beautiful paper. It just brings it all together. And so here are all 3 of my altered notepads shown here. And I hope you guys like my project this week. And I hope that you are inspired. And just follow the little tutorial. And I'm sure you guys will love it and create some for yourself. And make sure you check out all of the ladies today to see what they have created for your inspiration. And as always, and until next time, make sure you always do something with love and passion. Bye.